Hey everyone, we are the Hippos. Today we are embarking on an unforgettable journey into the African wilderness. We will be taking you on a thrilling boat safari to observe some of the most iconic and feared animals in Africa, hippos and crocodiles. We find ourselves on the majestic Lake St. Lucia, which is part of the iSimangaliso Wetland Park in KwaZulu-Natal. It forms the largest estuary system in Africa and is listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Surrounded by lush vegetation, it is a sanctuary where hippos and crocodiles roam freely, making it one of the best spots in the world for a close encounter with these magnificent animals. We are ready to go and will be searching for animals for the next 2 hours.
The reeds, these reeds, fresh water, now they're clogging up the whole system. They take over 1/3 of the lake, they suck up water, but it's a salt water system. We lost all these mangrove trees, which is quite sad. But in the greater picture of things, we don't know that's what's supposed to happen.
Hippos are one of Africa's most massive and dangerous mammals. Hippos may appear gentle, but they are incredibly territorial and know how powerful their jaws are. Better to keep a safe distance, especially when you encounter them on foot. Because they are grazing at night outside, they are relaxing during the day. As we continue our way to the next sighting, we can see something at the shore close to the water. This is a Nile crocodile, one of the largest reptiles on Earth. They are amazing predators and have been around for over 200 million years, making them living fossils. Before we wrap up our incredible boat safari, it's essential to highlight the importance of conservation. These amazing creatures struggle with habitat loss and poaching. Did you know that hippos are targets of ivory poaching just like elephants? We must do our part to protect them and their habitats. By booking a tour like this, you can contribute to their conservation. Because tourism provides the community with jobs, which makes the animal more worth alive than poached. Thanks for joining us today. See you on the next adventure.